channel Study Hub 10th class. This is Anusha. In today's session, let us learn about Pythagorean triples. Before learning about Pythagorean triples, let us know what is a Pythagorean triple. For example, if x, y and z are three numbers, x, y, z are said to be Pythagorean triples if they satisfies a particular condition, that is x square plus y square is equals to z square. Let us take a simple example for understanding this. Substitute the values of 3, 4 and 5 as the values of x, y and z. So x value 3 square, y square is 4 square and z square is 5 square. So here 3 plus square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So here 9 plus 16 is 25 and 25 is as it is. So here we got LHS is equals to RHS. So we can say that the numbers 3, 4 and 5 are said to be Pythagorean triples. So 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triple. Here is a standard rule for learning Pythagorean triples, that is x is equals to m square minus n square and y is equals to 2 into m into n and z is equals to m square plus n square, where m comma n belongs to n. That means m and n both should be belongs to the set of natural numbers, means from 1 to infinity, and m is greater than n. Here m value is always greater than n, because if m is less than n, we will get the negative values in the Pythagorean triples. So Pythagorean triples does not contains negative values. So this is the major thing we have to remember, that m should be greater than n. So for understanding this, for learning the Pythagorean triples, let us apply our numbers in this basic rule. Our first example is, let us consider m as 3 and n as 2. So now substitute the values of m and n in this. Here x is equals to m square, means 3 square, minus n is 2, so 2 square. 3 square is 9, minus 2 square is 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Next y is equals to 2 into m into n. So m into n is 3 into 2. 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Next z is equals to m square plus n square. So our m square is 3 square plus n square is 2 square. 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Now our resultant values are 5, 12 and 13. So let us check this. These 5, 12 and 13 are said to be Pythagorean triples, but let us have a verification on this. Five square plus 12 square is equals to 13 square. 5 square is 25 plus 12 square is 144 and 13 square is 169. Here 144 plus 25. 140 plus 20 is 160 plus 5. 165 plus 4, 169. So 169 is equals to 169. It is a satisfied condition. So we can say that the set of 5, 12 and 13. 5, 12 and 13 is a Pythagorean triple. Let us have one more example. We will consider the value of m as 5 and the value of n as 4. Now substitute our values m and n in these values. X is equals to m square minus n square. So 5 square minus 4 square. 5 square is 25 minus 4 square is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. Next y is equals to 2 into m into n. So 2 into 5 into 4. 2 5s are 10 and 10 4s are 40. Next z is equals to m square plus n square. So m square is 5 square plus n square is 4 square. So 5 square is 25 plus 4 square is 16. 25 plus 16 is equals to 41. So now let us verify our values 9, 40 and 41 with the condition x square plus y square is equals to z square. Nine square plus 40 square is equals to 41 square. Here 9 square is 81 plus 40 square is 1600 and 41 square is 1681. So 1600 plus 81 is 1681. So 1681 is equals to 1681. Now the condition x square plus y square is equals to z square is satisfied with the values 9, 40 and 41. So we can say that 9, 40, 41 are Pythagorean triples. So here is one more thing to remember, that is all the multiples of Pythagorean triples are Pythagorean triples. All the multiples of Pythagorean triples are Pythagorean triples. What does it mean? Initially let us consider the basic Pythagorean triple, that is 3, 4, 5. All of its multiples means each value of this Pythagorean triple, when it is multiplied with the same non-negative number, whatever the resulting value will get, that is also going to be a Pythagorean triple. For example, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 5 is 10. This is a Pythagorean triple. Let us check this one. 6 square plus 8 square is equals to 10 square. 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64 and 10 square is 100. 36 plus 64 is also 100. So 100 is equals to 100. Let us take one more. Here this is a value when we multiply it with 2. This one with 2. Now let us multiply this one with 3. Take it's a third multiple. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Now let us check for this one. 9 square plus 12 square is equals to 15 square. X square plus y square is equals to z square. That is the condition should be satisfied. 9 square is 81 plus 12 square is 144 is equals to 15 square is 225. So 140 plus 80 is 220. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 225 is equals to 225. So this is the process that we can easily remember the Pythagorean triples. So thank you for watching our video. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.